In Kenya today, when you talk about richness, when you talk about the richest families in Kenya, what comes into your mind? Whom do you think is the richest people in Kenya? Whom do you think are the richest families in Kenya? And by which net worth and on which account do you think that these families are the wealthiest and the richest families in Kenya? Now, in our today's video, we are going to deal with this matter. We are going to look into this business to confirm which is the richest people in Kenya and who are the richest families in Kenya. Now, before we continue, remember this is Imara TV. Remember to like, share, and finally hit the subscription button. Now, let's go. Kenya's wealthiest families revealed. Now, today we are going to look at the top 10 richest families and their billion-dollar fortunes. Now, at number 1, we are going to look at Moi's family. Richest families in Kenya. Not many Kenyans feature in the top 10 billionaires list in the world. But this doesn't mean that there aren't moneyed individuals and families in Kenya. Here's the list of wealthiest families currently in Kenya. And the family number 1 being at the top of the list is Moi's family. Moi's family is considered to be among the richest families in East and Central Africa. Their property is spread all over the world. High-placed sources reveal to us that retired President Moi's last-born son Gideon has interest in Kentship Maritime, Silei Properties Limited, Giant Holdings Limited, Revac Limited, Sudbury Limited, Sudbury Investments, Giant Forex Bureau, Westfield International Limited, Chesco Limited, Homestead Enterprises, Matpo Services Limited, and Maternity. The family has also interest in Eagle Airlines, Chemusian Company Fresh Produce Limited, Signon Freight Car Truck Kenya Limited, First American Bank, Equatorial Bank, the Sassen Group of Farms and Cable and Wireless. This is the source of Moi's family's riches. Now, Gideon Moi alone has 2 properties in London, which are held in trust, including others in South Africa. Philip Moi, another son of Moi, has an estimated wealth of approximately 52 billion Kenya shillings and controls more property than his brother Gideon. As if that's not all, Moi further owns gateway properties including Paradise Holdings, Sheraton Holdings, Ahuru Investors, General Commodities Dealers, Kiharu Investors, Concord Holdings, Panafion Engineering, Tiger Farm Limited, and Ekta Kenya Limited. Besides all, Philip Moi is a close friend of Prince Hamid of Brunei, but his precise investments in the Sultanate are unknown. Moi also has invested in education, including Moi High School, Kabarak, and Kabarak University. To paraphrase Moi's asset, if we were to name all of it, cover a booklet or so. Now, let us go to other details concerning Moi's family. In land ownership, Moi is the second after Kenyatta family in land ownership in Kenya. Now, let us go at number 2. Number 2, we have the late Nicholas Biwott, nicknamed Total Man. The late Biwott was a skillful businessman who accumulated power and established an enviable business empire touching on almost every sector of the Kenyan economy. He invested in energy, tourism, mining, real estate, telecommunications, air transport, construction, and agriculture. After his death, questions on the amount of debt he left behind were raised, with claims that debt could end up consuming what he left behind. Now, let us go to number 3 at the top of the list in this top 10 wealthiest and richest families in Kenya. At number 3, we have the Kenyatta family. As the name suggests, this is the family of the founding father of the nation. Now, according to my research, I came to understand that the Kenyatta family owns land equal to the whole of Nyanza province. You can imagine that. The Kenyatta family only owns land equal to Nyanza province. the rest of Nyanza province is equal to the land ownership that the Kenyatta family owns. The family has also invested in agriculture, banking, tourism, mining, transport, energy, real estate, and finally, it has also invested in telecommunications. There's so little information about Kenyatta family riches ownership, but we will do another video to confirm so. Now, at number 4, we have Joshua Kulei. Who was Joshua Kulei? He was former President Moi's personal assistant. Mr. Kulei owns a Tradewell Kenya, CFC Bank, CMC Holdings, Cyan Roses, and Ngata Flower Farm. He also has interest in Bamburi Cement, Kenya Television Network, National Milling Company, Kenya Aerotech Limited, Signon Freight, and National Mining Corporation. There's so little also information about Joshua Kulei's riches and ownership. You are wondering, isn't the man is still mentioned in Athi River Heritage? All insurance companies, Standard Newspaper, NIC Bank, Transnational Bank, Kobil and Kenol Petroleum, Rai Plywood of Eldoret, where they partnered with Moi and Nairobi Airport Services. Reports shows that Mr. Kulei owns palatial residence in Up Market, London, where his children have always attended school. He has property in Lavington and Karen and Nakuru also. Now, at number 5, we have Philip Ndegwa family. The family is considered to be the family with well spread out assets. The family has invested in agriculture, industry, transport, banking, insurance, air transport, and real estate. There's also some very little information about the Philip Ndegwa family wealth, riches, and ownership. Now, at number 6, we have Simeon Nyachae. He started a small bakery, and through Sansora Holdings, he has minted billions. He has invested in agriculture, industry, insurance, and banking, real estate, transport, and telecommunications. He has the biggest ranch in Australia, tea farm in Zimbabwe, and South Africa. Now, this is Simeon Nyachae, the richest man also among the rich people in Kenya. Now, at number 7, we have Manu Chandaria. Manu Chandaria is among the richest people in Kenya. He has invested in industry, insurance, transport, banking, real estate, and also telecommunications. There's also some very tiny information about Manu Chandaria's wealthy and riches. Now, let us go to number 8. We have SK Macharia. Now, who is SK Macharia? He's also among the richest people in Kenya. Mr. SK Macharia has invested in telecommunication, banking, agriculture, transport, insurance, and real estate. Now, this is SK Macharia, who has also invested so much in telecommunication. That means in media industry, owns Citizen TV, Royal Media Services company also belongs to him. Now, at last but not least, we have President Mwai Kibaki, the former president of Kenya, the late President Mwai Kibaki. The former President Mwai Kibaki of Kenya, he has his riches. He has also invested in billion-dollar fortunes, as his family is also among this list. The former head of state has invested in tourism, banking, real estate, agriculture, insurance, and finally, he has also invested in telecommunications. Now, these are the richest people in Kenya, the richest families in Kenya. We will find out more information about top 20 richest families in Kenya and top 20 also richest or wealthiest people and families in Kenya in the next video. Thank you for your time.